Welcome back. And moving ahead now, the US Embassy cables also described Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Mayawati as a first-rate egomaniac who is obsessed, quote-unquote, with becoming the Prime Minister. Now, the cables from 2007 to 2008 called Mayawati a virtual paranoid dictator, replete with food tasters and a security entourage to rival the head of a state. Now, a state minister was forced to do sit-ups, in fact, in front of her as penance for not asking her permission to call on UP's governor. Meanwhile, when she needed new sandals, her private jet flew all the way from UP to Mumbai to retrieve her preferred brand. In some sports action now, defending men's champion Rafael Nadal beat unseeded Argentine David Nalbandian 7-6, 6-1, 7-5 to enter the fourth round of the US Open on a day described as an extremely tough day by the Spaniard. Now, Nadal, seeded second, had to call for his trainer for treatment for a blister on his right foot during the match. Now, he next plays Luxembourg's Gilles Muller in the fourth round. And while the defending champion shocked everyone on Sunday as he suffered cramps during the post-match press conference. Now, Rafael Nadal's third round match against David Nalbandian lasted for entire of 2 hours and 39 minutes. The 25-year-old collapsed in agony as he clutched his right leg under the table and then slipped to the floor as tournament medical staff was summoned. Now, the Spaniard, though, did come back for the press conference but decided to stand and answer the questions from the media. Well, today on September 5th, people around the world celebrate a very special day. That's the Teachers' Day. And we spoke to Chennaiites and asked them what this day means to them. Have a look.
In the words of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, on whose birth anniversary is being commemorated as the Teachers' Day, as he said, a good teacher is like a candle, because a candle gives light to others in darkness. Likewise, a good teacher spreads the light of knowledge amongst all of us. So this is one special occasion on which we must really pay our tribute, and we must thank all our teachers for all their efforts they have done for us throughout the year.
Something very common for all teachers: T for trustworthy, E for energetic, A for active, C for caring, H for helping, they always help us, E for example, R for respectable, and S for student's best friend.
Well, that's all we have time for, but the news and updates will continue at the top of next hour. Keep watching.